Okay, it's Gary Kayye. It's towards the end of day one, and I wanted to leave you with some day one observations. And I'm gonna try to find a way to do this without mentioning any brands. It's gonna be hard to do though. Let's see, how can I start this? Has there been a lot of hype in AI? Yes, no question. But is it deserved? I think there's some stuff going on in AI that a lot of us hadn't thought about. For example, we now have AI makes audio better, makes video better in a meeting. But here's some things that I saw today. I won't tell you who they are because I promise not to mention brands that are game changers in AI. What if whatever meeting you were in, no matter who was talking and no matter who you were talking to in the meeting, they were always making eye contact with you? I'm trying to figure out a way to explain this without telling you who it is because I don't want to really mention any brands as my observations. But I will tell you that that technology is coming, where no matter where you are, no matter who you're talking to, you're always making eye contact with them, which makes them feel more part of the meeting, right? So right now, especially in Teams rooms and Zoom rooms and those kind of applications, we've done an incredible job of making the remote participants to the in-person participants equalized, right? We put the remote participants right in front of us in front row, or give them equal squares, or we can do intelligent camera framing and things like that. But the next step to that is to make it look like we're actually talking with somebody one-on-one by making eye contact with them. That's my first observation of something I saw that was cool today. My second observation of today, or reflection of today, is imagine meeting platforms, thanks to AI, being smart enough, like think about this. Right now, they're smart enough to make your audio better, your video better. They're smart enough to transcribe your meeting. They're smart enough to translate your meeting into a different language. Even smart enough to attribute what you said in a meeting to you or to whoever said it. But imagine if AI was smart enough to tell you whether or not you should even attend a meeting. And if you decide not to attend a meeting, you use your AI, right? Your personalized AI to attend the meeting to give you the highlights of the meeting. So how many meetings have you gone to? 30-minute, 45-minute, 1-hour meetings that you leave and you think, well, that could have been done in 5 minutes. Imagine if your AI attended the meeting for you, so that not only do you not have to attend that meeting, but you got that 5 minutes from the summary of the meeting. So you didn't actually have to go to the meeting. The summary of the meeting was, in fact, good enough. Those are two big observations I made today, because I think AI is very hyped. But in this case, this is real. This is game changing. Another observation. Projection's not dead. There's a lot of projection here and a lot of demonstration of different ways that projection can be used. LED, wow. Has it come a long way in a short period of time, and is the price not making it? It's making it so much more affordable, and so many more companies are entering that segment of the market. The combination of what projection is able to do and what LED is doing now we're getting closer and closer to that vision of Minority Report, that movie that came out in 2020 and 2004, of having display technology everywhere. So we're 20 years away from that, far out from that meeting, and we haven't ever totally gotten there, but we're closer than we've ever been before. And then another observation, this is an exciting industry to be in. There's a lot going on here to be excited about. You should really be bullish on 2025. 2025 is going to be a great year for us. Yeah, there's a lot of hype around the tariffs. There's a lot of hype around, the technology and whether or not we've saturated the market and where the growth opportunities are. But I'll tell you what, there's some really cool stuff. I got a chance to go to 2 Whisper suites, private suites today, to see new technology that hasn't come out yet or isn't ready to be released. I was duly impressed. I wouldn't say I was blown away, but I would say in both cases, these are game-changing technologies. These are technologies that will transform the industry last observation for the day, the cloud. Oh my gosh, it is everywhere. Everyone's talking about the cloud. Everyone's talking about AI processing in the cloud, video processing, audio processing in the cloud, managing systems in the cloud, but also analyzing what we're doing and how we're doing it in the cloud. If I were investing right now, I'd be tempted to invest in cloud-based infrastructures. All right, so I've got to go do some more videos. It's not totally the end of the day yet, but I just wanted to at least give you those observations for the day. And thanks for watching. And thanks for reading.